We got off the ferry, and this is Christina, that's Lauren over there, and the first thing you do is you can take the bus or the shuttle to the campground, and we're gonna try walking because otherwise we're just transporting our stuff and not really backpacking. The campsite is called Hermit Gulch Campground, and it's about a 1.5 mile trek from the ferry port. You need to book your reservations in advance, and for our group of 4, it was around $260. Pretty pricey, but still cheaper than the other accommodations on the island. The coolest part about camping close to town was we were able to go out to eat and buy groceries whenever we wanted. So for our first night, we treated ourselves to margaritas. Our slow mornings consisted of filter drip coffee, a basic breakfast of oatmeal, and just overall good vibes and conversation to start the day. We left 10 a.m. We cooked breakfast, and now we're gonna go pick up Yo-Yo and probably go kayak and just explore town. Catalina has a really small downtown, which is right at the beachfront, and you can spend your time shopping, eating, or like us, taking a dip in the ocean and reading on the beach. Woo! It's cold. It's cold. Fish tacos, cider fries, poke, wedge salad, that's salmon salad, and then fish and chips. After lunch, we rented some kayaks and just spent an 1.5 hours around the island. I don't have much footage. We didn't bring our phones, but it was really fun and beautiful. And honestly, it felt like Europe. There we go. Woo! They made it. Very good form on their third attempt. Very in sync. Sunset on the island. We just finished kayaking, and we're grabbing some ice cream, going to the grocery store, and probably doing a cookout tonight at the grills by the campsite. Nighttime, you know.
The tree is hanging all of our clothing.
There's a major grocery store on the island where you can get all your essentials, and we didn't bring any food in, actually. We just bought everything right before our meal times, and it worked out perfectly.
We walked to town. First we made breakfast, then we walked to town. We went to the library. We got books. We went to the beach. We went swimming. Then Yo-Yo arrived.
On the midday ferry.
We had lunch on the harbor. Then we walked to the beach club, and
it was a pop and beach club.
Descanso Beach Club, shout out. And then we went kayaking, which was really fun. And we were able to swim on the little beach, kayaked back, got groceries and ice cream.
Oh, we did get ice cream to treat ourselves. And then we got back, and
we're eating dinner. We showered. Now we're done.
So dinner looks so funny. A bed of mac and cheese with a sausage right on top of it.
Garlic herb butter.
Garlic herb butter with spicy pineapple margarita. My favorite part about camping is detaching yourself from the world. There is no cell service at this campground, so you have to entertain yourself. Another morning breakfast of gruel. But you snazz it up with chocolate chips and peanut butter. And then our tents are partially decomposed. Sorry, deconstructed. And then now we're gonna go on a hike after this. But checkout is at 11, so we'll be back. It's 8:40. Good morning, and we are starting our hike. It was right behind our campsite, so that was really quick and convenient, which is nice. Lauren's leading the pack. It's difficult and hot and steep.
We made it up to the summit, and this is what awaits us. Bison are dangerous. Here is the summit. There is Avalon, Hermit Gulch Trail, and that's the other side of the island where Two Harbors is, but we can't see because there's cloud cover right now. And that's the place we're gonna go down.
All right, so we've been walking 81 minutes, 2.3 miles, and I think it was around 1,200 feet of elevation, and we're finally coming down, and it was hot.
It was steep.
Steep, and there's no sun coverage, but you do get rewarded with some views that you can also get in Malibu. But it's still nice. It's really nice because it's right behind our campsite, and just good conversation, and yeah, it's just like really rewarding. And just like that, we're packed. All of this is gone, and everything is in our packs. A quick stop at a taqueria right off the trail of the Hermit Gulch Campground back to our spot at the ferry. So we've lined up for the catamaran about 40 minutes before it takes off. And there's already a long line, so come early. And with that, a quick weekend trip in Catalina was over, and we took our ferry back Sunday afternoon. There's a fun rumor that you can jet ski from the island back to mainland California, so here's a shot of some people trying to do that. Thanks again for watching, guys. See you next time.